As part of the Phase 5.7 release, Hire2Retire customers who integrate with SAP SuccessFactors can now use an API-based integration, and the setup process couldn't be simpler. When creating a Hire2Retire workflow, in the Applications section of the Hire2Retire Core tab, choose SAP SuccessFactors as your HR system. Scroll down and you'll be able to choose between the classic data extract integration method and an API integration. And using an API to integrate SAP SuccessFactors and AD with Hire2Retire allows you to schedule either full or Delta file extracts at regular intervals, have Hire2Retire automatically monitor said extracts, and enable two-way data flow between SAP SuccessFactors and AD. It's just another reason Hire2Retire is the best employee lifecycle management solution on the market.